When Santa visits his pythons with Dominic, he'll be, because the ranger cannot climb the hills of Italy.
Hey! Chickadee chick, ee-haw, it's Dominic the donkey. Chickadee chick, ee-haw, it's Daddy Christmas donkey. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 yo la. The label on the inside says they're made in Brooklyn. Hey! Chickadee chick, ee-haw, it's Dominic the donkey. Chickadee chick, ee-haw, it's Daddy Christmas donkey. La 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 la. trees. Radio's we play with the darkness to keep. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. Citations as we climb to remind us of days long ago. Oh, one voice citations as we climb to remind us of days long ago.
Middle school choir. This is the premiere and more joyful sounds of the season. Give it up one more time for all 10 of the North Central choirs, please. For those of you who don't know, this is the second choir concert of the week. So we got back from Thanksgiving break. We had our Messiah concert on Tuesday. How many of you were there for that? Show me my applause. It was a packed house. We also have King's Court and Accents perform their magical dinner next Friday and Saturday. So we hope to see many of you there. So we're going to finish the night off now.
Snow begins to fall. You can feel the Christmas of the air. See the decorations on the wall. You can smell the family dinners. I can taste them even now. You can hear the sound of children playing. Just listen and see how.
They make a joyful sound, a sound that celebrates the season. It's a joyful sound we can share. A family of friends, until the journey ends. We think how lucky we are, and we sing on.
It's the sound that makes the season, the sound of friends and family. It's the singing while the candles glow, the laughing as we trim the tree. In the dark and cold of winter, while we're waiting for the spring. It's these joyful sounds that lift our hearts, and that is why we sing. We make a joyful sound, a sound that celebrates the season. It's a joyful sound we can share.
My wife Linda, my daughter Emily, my granddaughter Corey, Jordan and my grandson Tagrin.